if you want some cute treats or decorations that don't take a lot of time to put together, then Stampin' Up's Tombstone treat boxes may be the answer for you. Now, you may have seen these and you may have thought of some ways to use them, but today I have 5 different ways to show you to use these Tombstone treat boxes, and you may not have thought of some of them. So let's take a look. So these Tombstone treat boxes are part of Stampin' Up's holiday catalog, and I'm curious, have you seen them? Did you skim right past them in the catalog, or did you look at them and consider whether you use them for Halloween? So I wanted to show you, there are so many ways to use these besides just putting them together and using them for treats. So before I share those ideas with you, I want to show you quickly how to put them together. This is how they come. I have a front and a back here. And all I need to do, I love how easy these are, is peel off that paper backing from those 2 spots. You want to fold up the sides and fold the end pieces in. And then one end at a time, you fold this piece up and over. And when you press that inside, it is going to hold it shut with that piece of adhesive. Again, fold this up, down, and inside. Now we'll do the second one. When you get them, when you open them up, you want to separate the fronts from the backs and keep them separate. I wasn't really paying attention, and then they got mixed up, so I had to spend a little bit of time figuring out which was which. But you can see here how quick and easy these come together. So if you want to do something special for Halloween, whether it's somebody you're going to see in person or somebody you want to send something to in the mail, these are just a really cute little idea. And then, as long as you have a front and a back, it's a little bit of a tight fit, but they slide right together. You want it to be a tight fit so that they stay shut. Okay, so you can fill them with treats. They are fairly large, so you can really fit quite a bit in them. Here I have 3 Kit Kats that will fit inside of this one. So let's talk about my 5 ideas for using them. Idea number 1 is to use them just the way they're designed. Fill with treats, decorate them somehow if you want to. You don't have to decorate them, and give them out for Halloween. So that's idea number 1. Idea number 2, and this is really fun, is to cut out a window for the front. Before you fold them up, when they're still laying flat, you can run these through a die cutting machine and cut out a piece here from the front. So I used a die that fit that front, put a piece of window sheet behind there, and then decorated it, and you can see the treats inside. So I thought this was a really fun way to use them. Idea number 3 is similar to idea number 2, except we're changing up what is going on the inside. So I cut out a window from the front, just like I did with the last one, but I put vellum in here instead of a window sheet, decorated the front, and put a battery operated tea light inside. So this will make a really neat lantern. And what I love about these boxes is they sit upright. So these can be really nice decorations. This will be a perfect little lantern. You could put this on your porch during trick or treat. You could just keep it in your house as a fun decoration. If you go camping this time of year, it would be fun decoration out on your picnic table. So that's idea number 3. Idea number 4 is another decoration. This one, I didn't cut the window out. So this one, I just used one side of the box. So if you wanted to use them this way, you get 8 of the treat boxes in a package. So if you wanted to use them this way, you could even make up 16 because you don't have to use 2 for this. But I just decorated it, and because they sit up, you can use this as a cute decoration. Now, if you're interested in the products I use to decorate each of these, click on the link in the video description below. You'll see ordering links and the product list for all the products I use below. If you click on the link to go to my blog, you will find more information on what products I use for each one of these. Now, last but not least, I think number 5 is my favorite. And number 5 is to make a cute little Halloween banner. So if I turn these sideways, you can see I did fold them up how they were designed. I did just use the fronts, so you don't have to use 2 on each of these. But I punched a hole in the top and decorated them with our playful alphabet dies to say Happy Halloween. So I hope these give you some fun ideas for using these Tombstone treat boxes. I hope you have a wonderful Halloween and you have some fun treats to share with your loved ones.